Hi, meet Jharna from Tamwood College. Okay,
Thank you so
Jharna, just
much.
tell us something about the Global Startup School at Tamwood College.
Absolutely. So, the Global Startup School, or as GSS, that we call it fondly at Tamwood, is our department focused on entrepreneurship. At GSS, we offer students a number of different programs to learn more about entrepreneurship and how to become an entrepreneur, really speaking. In a dynamic world like ours, entrepreneurship and the startup economy have become so pervasive, as you know. And so, through these programs, we hope to give students an opportunity to explore the startup economy. In terms of programs, we have a range of different programs on offer, from certificate programs that are focused on specific aspects of entrepreneurship, like product management, product marketing. And at the same time, we also have full-fledged annual sort of longer diploma programs, like the Applied Diploma in Innovation and Entrepreneurship, which sort of gives students a full end-to-end experience in understanding the startup ecosystem.
Okay, so that means do students get a chance to pitch their ideas to venture capitalists as well?
They don't get a chance to pitch to venture capitalists immediately, but yes, through the program, they get exposure to pitch competitions. They get exposure to uh, speaker series with venture capital funds, as well as to startup advisors. So yes, they do have a lot of industry exposure of that kind. Uh, Through the program, they're building their startups. So as they progress, and if they've reached a good stage, yes, they can pitch to venture capitalists as well.
Awesome. So if you're really looking for some study in entrepreneurship and want to be starting a business anywhere in the world, I think Tamwood College is the place to go, right?
Absolutely. No, more specifically speaking, I can give you a little bit more insight into the Applied Innovation and Entrepreneurship Diploma, which is the best
Sure.
way to kind of approach this in Canada. So, for me, this program really stands out at Tamwood among all the things that we have on offer. Firstly, because this program is offered at our Vancouver campus, and Vancouver, as you know, is known for the startup economy, considering the vibrant startup culture that it has, and its proximity to the west coast of the U.S. as well. So in Canada, it's rated number one for promoting startups and sort of that culture in the country. So by virtue of that fact, students get access to a host of opportunities in the city. Now coming to the program more specifically, the program is really interesting because it's very, very hands-on, allowing the students to really take the business from a business idea stage to an execution stage. So they're actually building their business plan as they go along. Effectively, the program is training them end to end from business ideation to execution. So you're doing everything from sort of project planning to project ideation to marketing to traction building and all the different aspects of of the startup ecosystem. And finally, it's a really a great place to meet people who are also budding entrepreneurs like yourself. So just to give you an example, like I may be very, very interested in, say, the technology side of things, and you could be very, very interested in, say, the business side of things, and you and I could meet through the Tamwood program and really find that synergy to start a business together. So I think in a nutshell, I see it as a unique opportunity that is affordable, at the same time accessible to a range of students, and offers this unique combination of business education, business acceleration, combining it with a do-it-yourself entrepreneurial culture that that startups really imbibe.
Tremendous. Oh, you also mentioned that it's affordable. Tell us something more about how affordable it is.
Absolutely. So, I mean, despite the fact that the GSS program can be benchmarked against a conventional standard business curriculum, it is highly, highly affordable. Now, when I say this, I can talk specifically to the Applied Diploma program because that is the longer program, and that program, the tuition fee for that is, I want to say, under 15,000 Canadian dollars. I'm sorry. So it is a really affordable price as compared to a standard traditional B school curriculum, which would be close to, I think, 45 to 50,000 Canadian dollars. So it is a fraction of the cost. At the same time, it's only a 1 year program. So you really can get, going with your business as soon as possible, and also access opportunities like the startup visa, for instance, at the end of that program.
Cool. What is the startup visa in Canada?
So it's a really interesting opportunity in Canada. It, I think, was piloted somewhere around 2013. I could be wrong on that day. Don't quote me on it. But somewhere around 2013 was when they piloted it. And I think 2017 was when it became a more full-fledged program with the Government of Canada and the IRCC. So the Startup Visa is an immigration program within the government's mandate to allow entrepreneurs to apply for PR in Canada if they are keen on building businesses in Canada. So really the catch here is, if you want to build a business in Canada, this is a great way for you to apply for your PR as well. Now, to do this, you need to have a designated organization in Canada, which is again recognized by the government of Canada for this specific purpose, to provide you with a letter of support and to further your application. So in that sense, coming back to how GSS or how TAMWOOD can help you is, if you have actually gone through the program and you built the program and built your business through the program, then you're kind of making yourself ready to make that application to a designated organization quicker, and a more successful application towards eventually getting a PR.
This is really interesting. How does a student become eligible to apply for this GSS?
So the good thing is the eligibility criteria are not very stringent, so that's a plus. However, when I say they're not stringent, I mean that they are open-ended. So anyone who's under the age of 19, over the age of 19 can apply, and of course, along with that, they need to have completed a high school diploma at the very least, and need to have at least completed 1 year of college or 2 years of work experience. So in the context of India specifically, if I were to speak to this, basically you need to have cleared your grade 12 and finished 1 year of college, or after grade 12, finished 2 years of working. Now that's the bare minimum eligibility criteria. Does it mean that anyone who has this will get accepted? Of course not. But that's the bare basic. And of course, beyond that, you need your English proficiency as well. Now, I would strongly encourage anyone who's interested to, avail of the great services and consulting opportunities that Can-Am provides, for instance, and meet the lovely counselors that you have across India, and really understand whether you're a good fit for the program, understand what the program curriculum is from those counselors, and then make a strong application to the program. And hopefully with Can-Am's help, we'll be able to reach lots of Indian students who are having entrepreneurial visions and entrepreneurial dreams, and hopefully can help them realize those in Canada.
Thank you so much, Hannah. This was so interesting. I'm sure people would be very happy to hear you out, and I'm sure they're ready to apply.
Look forward to receiving those applications. Thank you so much, Ganga ma'am. Thank you. Have a good day ahead.
Thank you. You too.